Hello everyone, this is Business Person your way today. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are in the world. So guys, this signal is what I dropped in the VIP and I quickly want to show you and so that you can see exactly how I place this signal. So before I do, remember I always say something that anytime you want to pick your trade, make sure you check on higher time frame, probably 4 or 5 um um hours time frame, probably 8 hours time frame if you have the time. So guys, you see that here we are having a trend direction down. All right, so when it's going down, and at the same time I want you to notice something, which is the movement of these candles. All right, so it's moving and it's forming a very good direction for us. All right, so it's forming M pattern. So that's exactly what you ought to look out for. All right, so as you can see, this is forming a very good M pattern. All right, so now I'll have to delete all these arrows. I just want to show you that. So anytime you're trading, you just have to look out for patterns too. All right, so now this is what is saying on H4 time frame. You can see we have sliding down of the candlesticks, which is forming a very new trend. All right, so now when you go to, and also you have to note the M pattern. When you go to another lower time frame, which is M1 time frame, you can see we have the resistance here, which we have firstly note on higher time frame of H4. So we can see here that the M pattern is looking more visible. All right, so now you can see we have a retesting of these candlesticks here. All right, so normally the trade ought to have been picked from around this point, because we have a very good confirmation of a break from this minor zone here. All right, so but we decided to pick it from this very second one. That's why I took the trade, and after we have a spike against us, then I go in with 1.8. All right, multiple positions. So now guys, let's go to another time frame of M30, because this signal was picked on M15. All right, so you can see the trend keeps going down on M30. You see, so we have something beautiful here. Now after, when you spot the trend, and make sure you're placing your arrow on the resistance, or you can decide to pick at the top here, which is the breast. All right, place it there, then let it come down here. All right, so it's not breaking. So anytime you have a retest, so that will give you a very good and a sure guarantee that it's going to go down. All right, so now you can see, let me zoom it out a bit. All right, so you can see clearly what we're doing here. So let's go to M15, where the signal has been picked from. Let me use another arrow this time. So remember, I said the signal was first picked at this point here, after we have a very clear resistance zone above here, which the signal was unable to break. All right, so we have, all right, so it goes down, give us the profit retest, and keeps going back down. Then earlier on we have this 1.80, which it has been going down. So after retesting, you have the position. After retesting, you have another position, provided you have this trend going down like this. Provided it's a downtrend. Okay, provided it's a downtrend. Okay, so that's how we pick this signal, all right, from the chart. So guys, this is it. If you have any question from this, I just want you to ask me, and let me give you a very recap within 2 minutes. Now you go to higher time frame, you check, we check out for the M pattern. All right, that's why I'm very cool and calm when I'm trading against the spike. All right, so the M pattern will surely give us a very good formation. All right, it's gonna give us a very good profit, even up to something like this. All right, up to something like this. It's gonna come to the price of yeah, it's gonna come to at least the price of 1535. So it's gonna get there. All right. So, and also after when you've done your analysis on higher time frame, then you now come back to lower time frame so that you can check out for what's happening here and what's going on here. And even if you have a spike against us now, it cannot make me lose. All right. So this is a very good signal on which I'm trading on a very stable mind. All right, so guys, if you have any question, you can just drop, or you can send me a message. Remember to join on my YouTube channel, and also to join the Telegram channel to pick up free signals. All right, free profitable signals. So guys, that's it for now. That's it for now. I just want you to keep following me if you're on my TikTok account, because very soon when I hit 1,000 people, I'm gonna be executing the trade before your face, the VIPs. Alright, I'm gonna give you free VIPs. So guys, you can decide to share so that we can go faster. So that's it guys for this. Have a blessed day ahead. God bless you.